So you got a sign for it?
Any eggs?
Cardboard storage, but it goes further out the back. Made me jump, the door rattled.
Look, Mum needs insurance for the eggs.
It's surreal being in here because it's like one of the buildings, but it isn't one of the buildings like this is.
Yeah. It's like one of the buildings that most people try to avoid when they're here. We're sort of in.
Test quality.
That's without flash.
Nice, that's not bad at all.
It takes a long exposure.
Yeah.
Testing that.
Oh, it's got a lock on it. Number 9. Locked up with something in it. Powder.
That was in service, that one.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks a lot newer, doesn't it? And maybe some of these too. Yeah. I don't know if I've heard of Greenway's eggs or not. That's another door open. It seems to be mainly pallets, isn't it, and stuff for the eggs, really, those crates.
Yeah, this looks like a different, same period of building as one of the ones over there, but it's not.
Danger live wires, and you've got the original telephone thing up there. Hut 16. Got in here. Storage, old bike. Oh yeah, Bahora. Loft installation. Bike. Here we go, guys, so we're inside here.
Looks pretty cool, not much.
Not much, but it's something.
Hopefully we can get out in one.
On the Ark of the Covenant.
Yeah.
It's like there's a storage box with them jammed a bit.
Oh, great.
There's the Ark of the Covenant.
But that spinning fan thing is quite cool.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks good.
Shouldn't be.
Yeah.
The door closed and a dog come in, I'll be like, oh no. Crazy. Some big old ducting elbows.
I won't touch anything in case he thinks we're thieves.
Yeah, I'm not going to touch anything. Just want to have a look down the end there, really. Oops, that's a tube right there. Look at that there. That's old.
Fruity.
Yeah.
Fruit machine there, Thomas.
Oh,
Cops and robbers.
Oh wow.
Still worth my money on those things.
Yeah, me too.
Then someone else would play it after and win. Straight away.
What do you get from fruit machines? Money.
Yeah, yeah. I don't think they'd have the same sort of fun attached to them if they gave out fruit.
Yeah, free cherries.
Yeah.
A winning cherry man.
How much was it to play with?
It's hard to tell whether this is storage or just junk, isn't it?
Some of the stuff's been here for a while.
Yeah.
I think it's been the roof's sort of deteriorated over there. You wouldn't really want to put your stuff there, would you?
No, that's it. Well, it was a good call talking to that girl.
Yeah. It was your idea to sort of play that down.
Yeah.
New plus as well, mate. So it's nice to sort of check out an area properly when you rush.
Yeah.
And see how the place to not cover it properly.
Yeah, I don't like rushing because that does happen. You come out and you think, oh, I missed that, you know.
Really, the places I line up are alternatives as well, you know,
Yeah.
just in case we've got stuff.
Right, what have we got now?
So that's where we saw the person
Over there. So there must be like hens and stuff running about somewhere. That'd be weird if we actually found one with all the hens in it, right?
Yeah.
Just hay. So just locked up for nothing, is it, that one?
People. Yeah, it looks pretty original. Got people breaking
It's had a bodge job window put in that one, but
It's got a zip tie, hasn't it?
yeah.
Should we have a look?
Do the outside first, I guess, and then work our way back in to the middle.
Just in case.
That's crazy, isn't it? Yeah. No, that's about it from here, I think. So it's another water tower, I guess. There, hidden by the tree.
Can't go much further.
That's it.
There's trucks over there. On the way in.
Be out in the country, yeah.
No, that's it. I love it. It is good. It kind of spoils the view a little bit, doesn't it? Yeah, I bet. Yeah. Yeah, it's new age electrics. I'm pretty certain I can hear it buzzing, but it might just be my imagination, I'm not sure.
You're in tune.
Yeah. I like the way they've used like the slabs and that for the brickwork. It looks good, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. That to me looks just like part of being in that building over there, the Camp 1.
Yeah.
When we first get in.
That's cool.
It's their events, isn't it?
Yeah. Another one here. The kids or something that live here or something. Intruders, imposters.
Randomly we were over in where was it, Thomas, where those kids came after us on the quad bike?
Oh really?
Yeah, they were part of the farmland. I'll tell you where it was. It was over by Barney, outside Barney, Great Wakering Way.
Yeah.
It was like an old tip, wasn't there? Like you go round, it's like an old tip, but it was like a geocache location all the way around there.
Yeah.
So we ended up coming through private land without realising it.
Oh really?
They came over on the quad bike saying, "What are you doing here?" I was trying to find a way out, mate, but we lost. It's an honest mistake, you know.
It's happened to anyone.
What did he say?
That's fairly fresh, isn't it, with the breeze blocks and that. Motorbike. I like the look of this one. It's kind of hard to tell what's in there. These are fuel, aren't they? You can smell it.
Kerosene.
Yeah.
Generator.
The doors open outwards, so that's a no-go, that one. Yeah, that's a new generator as well, isn't it? Oh, it's open, I think. Oh, it's the toilet. Well, that's the cleanest one yet. Yeah. Yeah, that's well too new.
Don't need to go too much further to this. You would have come in.
Oh yeah.
Should be.
Something else there. Oh, was that the electrical thing there, was it? Or is that something else
I don't know.
behind there?
Oh, that's where
Or is that where we came from already? Yeah, that's 116,
Should we
yeah.
have a look at them trucks on the way out?
Yeah, we can do
anything to do with vehicles.
it. Have a look, yeah.
Probably just keep the door from opening because there's nothing.
Yeah.
Because that isn't going to do
Sort
anything.
of rattling door. Or maybe they've got like a farm dog or something, they just don't want it run going in there for some reason.
So has that phone got 512 meg built in? As in like before you even have an SD card?
Yeah, it doesn't have an SD card, so it's only got built in.
Because it's waterproof. That's basically
Yeah.
why it's done that, isn't it?
Gonna hide in there.
Do you want to go to Dover?
Dover in an egg truck.
Pretty cool.
We want to do Dover. We've never done it before.
Yeah.
You'll love Dover. Dover's got
There's a lot to
so
see, isn't
much
there?
stuff, yeah.
Have you fairly scratched the surface?
Oh, there's still plenty there, yeah. There's a lot there. So some of the stuff is really good. Some of the tunnels that you do there, you actually get a key from some guy, and you drive up to his house, and he's got like a special key lock on his driveway. Yeah, you put the code in that he gives you, and then you can, you can just pull this key out. You go for, where you need to go in the wooded area, and before you know it, you've got access into tunnels that no one else has got access to.
Amazing. I didn't know that. I thought basically what you could see you would get to was like Dover Castle, because that was obviously English heritage.
Yeah, yeah,
And all the things that are on the top got like all the
yeah.
kind of gun emplacements and stuff. But all
Yeah.
the tunnels, I thought that was just a case of you had to get in there. your own
Some
way
of them,
and,
some of them are like, which one was it? The Jenga tower. That was hard to get into.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Click the circle to subscribe, and why not check out one of our other videos?